Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroCloud Hologram. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2025, our system has ranked MicroCloud Hologram as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.68. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.82%. This equates to an average return of 1.2% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is expected. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 8% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 31% to an increase of 10%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast suggests a projected decline of around 61%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary wildly from a complete loss to an increase of nearly 800% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price that could fall anywhere between $0 and $47.69. Our latest daily update from MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroCloud Hologram Inc. Stock price on Tuesday, moving between $5.03 and $5.56. The MicroCloud Hologram Inc. stock price gained 4.62% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, rising from $5.20 to $5.44. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.44%, with a day low at $5.03 and a day high of $5.56. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has seen an overall increase of 20.09%. Notably, volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 891,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10,200,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $375.20, while the lowest price was $4.16. Currently, the price is 98.55%, or $369.76, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $141,034.56, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2023, when the price peaked at $141,040. MicroCloud Hologram is generating news that could impact its stock significantly. The company has projected a return to profitability, expecting a net profit exceeding 230 million renminbi in the first half of 2025. This serves as a clear short-term catalyst that could enhance investor sentiment, lower perceived risk, and support a higher near-term valuation if these results are confirmed. Simultaneously, HOLO has been steadily realizing gains from a strategic allocation in cryptocurrency, with cumulative investment income recently surpassing $40 million on a program sized up to $200 million. The company also retains substantial cash reserves designated for derivatives and technology development. While these crypto gains can boost earnings, they also introduce volatility and mark-to-market risks associated with cryptocurrency prices and regulations. On the technology front, HOLO continues to publish research in quantum computing and holography, ranging from noise-resistant, deep quantum neural networks to multi-qubit sharing and precision measurement studies. This activity signals their long-term ambitions in quantum computing and augmented reality technologies. If these research and development efforts lead to commercial products or partnerships, they could significantly enhance the stock's valuation over the years. However, if these initiatives do not materialize, they will remain costly early-stage investments. In summary, Anticipate near-term gains from profitability and cryptocurrency returns, tempered by volatility and execution risks. The long-term potential relies on successful commercialization and disciplined capital allocation. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to MicroCloud Hologram stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. There are predominantly positive signals in the chart today. The MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted due to the relationship between the two signals, wherein the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels $4.88 and $4.65. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 25.93%. A continued increase is suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 66 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 66 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. MicroCloud Hologram Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.19. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 52.5 cents, which is a change of 10.44%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 9.15%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $5.85. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram encounters its first support level at $5.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares with a par value of $0.0001. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.24, reflecting a decrease of 3.64%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom that was identified 31 days ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? Several short-term signals appear to be positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 17th of September, we anticipate that MicroCloud Hologram will open lower by approximately 10 cents and start trading at $5.34. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.